the calls, back to back, over for minutes, and who's that?
I don't know what the hell you're talking about, man.
It's right there on your phone.
I don't know what the hell you're talking. What's on my phone? What do you mean it's on my phone?
The number, it's a blocked number. I found out what that is. It's not a person's number. It's a number that's blocked. Yeah, it's a number that's either calling you blocked or it's blocked when you're like pressing star 67.
What the hell are you talking about?
Who's the 360? You know, it's right there on the call record. Who's that? What number is that?
I don't know what fucking number it is. Did you call it to figure out what
it doesn't ring. That's not what it does. It doesn't do that. It's blocked.
It doesn't ring.
Yeah, it's blocked.
It's blocked.
That's
so what the fuck is it supposed to do if I call it?
Huh?
So what is it supposed to do if I call it?
I don't know. It's probably blocked. I don't know, but it's a number that you're dealing with a lot.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about, man.
Well, it's there on your call log.
No, it ain't. I don't know what you're talking about. There's not no fucking number. You're talking to me about a goddamn blocked number. Like, what are you talking about? Like, what do you mean?
They told me that number comes up when it's blocked. So it's either a blocked number calling you or you, I don't know, dialing out a blocked number, like star 67. I don't know what that is, but it's blocked. But you're having a lot of contact with it.
I'm not having no contact with nothing. Like, what are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Like, my call log says a nut.
Why do you keep asking that and it's right there?
Why are you just searching my call log and now there's some number on there that you're saying I'm calling and, oh, it's a blocked number and, like, what the hell are you talking about?
The number that's you're calling?
I have no idea.
You get a lot of numbers from blocked calls.
So what? And so do you every fucking day, all day.
Who's the block number? Who is it?
I don't know who the fuck it is. I don't answer block.
But you're talking to it.
No, I'm not. I'm not talking to anything. Like, what the hell are you talking about?
Well, that's what I was told. You're talking to it.
I was told by who?
It's showing up on your call log.
Somebody told you that I was talking to somebody?
It's minutes being spent on the phone, talking to somebody. Several minutes. Several times.
So I talked to a blocked number several minutes, several times.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my god, that shit's gonna be a nice chance.
So it's lying? Like, how is it lying?
What?
Your call log, how is it lying?
I don't know.
Like, how is it saying this call came in at 2 something or something and then it's for 10 minutes? Like, what is that? Who is that? It's somebody. It's not a lie.
Who is what?
Who is the number?
I don't know who no number. You said it's a blocked number, so what the fuck are you talking about?
Well, it's somebody you're talking to a lot.
No, it ain't. Like, what? Like, you sound ridiculous. Like, so if a blocked number comes in, it shows up as that number.
I was told that, yes, that it can be that, or you're dialing a number out. It's a blocked number either way.
So when you dial a blocked number, that number shows up.
Yeah.
Or if a blocked number calls you, that number shows up.
Yeah.
So do you know how many fucking blocked numbers call a person? Like,
I know, because I don't get no sense. I don't get blocked calls.
Yeah, you do.
I actually don't.
Oh, okay. Well, good for you. Now you fucking scam likely calls every fucking day. So I don't know what you're talking about. Any blocked number. Like, okay, like, what the fuck?
Well, all I know is I'll be there. That's it.
What?
I will be there.
Okay. And? Like, what the hell are you talking about? Like, what's wrong with you?
It's on the call log. I'm not stupid. Like, the call log,
you are very ignorant. Like,
I'm on there a few times.
Why are you searching my call log? What are you looking for?
Because I wanted to. I'm trying to see why you're calling me less, and now I see.
Wow, what? You trying to see why what?
Why you're calling me less, but you're talking to somebody else. I see that.
What the fuck are you talking about, man? I work an overnight fucking job. I'm sleep in the goddamn day. Like, duh. The fuck you think I'm about to be up calling you all goddamn day and night? No. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Why don't you take your ass to school so you're not fucking on the phone all goddamn day every day?
You're talking to somebody.
No,
and I
the
see
fuck
it.
I'm not.
It says it. Yes, you are.
Shit. It don't say shit.
Yeah,
it don't talk. You
it
ain't
says that number a lot.
About. Oh my
So
God!
you're sitting there acting like you're
And
not
what
doing that,
number?
but you're on the phone.
I don't think you even understood the information that you got from the people. So I don't know what you're talking about. And like bullshit. Like what the fuck?
I'll be there.
So whatever the fuck it told you, you probably don't understand it.
It's right there in your face.
That's it.
It's right in your face. Well,
Ain't nothing in my fucking face.
Well, it's in
Oh
mine.
goddamn! It don't even say that number ain't never appeared in my call log, and I don't even have no fucking goddamn